If you're in your 20s or older, managing a regular 9-to-5 job, picture living paycheck to paycheck, handling obligations like owning a car, renting an apartment, and trying to save. Life feels stable until a curveball strikes like a job loss or a sudden health issue. You're left worried about escaping financial stress. In this video I will share with you how to avoid this trap. 1. Saving and investing early. A common mistake among young individuals is delaying the start of saving and investing. They might assume they have ample time, neglecting building an emergency fund or investing money. Yet, initiating savings and investments early is crucial. Beginning early gives your money the opportunity to exponentially grow over time due to compound interest. Investing involves allocating funds into assets that appreciate over time, such as stocks, real estate, or initiating a small business. The beauty lies in how these investments can generate passive income, freeing you from the necessity of constantly working for money. This passive income stream accelerates the path to financial freedom compared to spending on items that don't appreciate in value. 2. Avoid debt accumulation. Debt comes in various forms such as credit card balances, student loans, personal loans, and auto loans. High-interest debts like credit cards can swiftly become problematic if not handled carefully, slowing down progress towards aspirations like buying a house or saving for retirement. While some, like student loans, are essential, excessive debt can hinder financial goals. High-interest debts like credit cards can swiftly become problematic if not handled carefully, slowing down progress towards aspirations. To manage existing debt, start by listing owed amounts and prioritize paying off high-interest loans first. Set a debt-free timeline and allocate a feasible monthly amount for repayment. Automate payments to avoid late fees and stick to a repayment plan. Ultimately, it's about astute money management and responsible handling of debt to reach your financial objective. 3. Avoid overvaluing material possessions. This involves placing excessive value on purchasable items such as luxury gadgets or pricey clothing. Overspending on these items can deplete your finances. The crux lies in living beneath your means. Instead of exhausting your entire income, strive to spend less and save more. It's not about denying yourself nice things but making astute choices for a more secure financial future. When your income increases, like receiving a raise, avoid impulsively spending on items like the latest iPhone or branded clothes. Consider allocating the extra money towards savings or investments. Before making a purchase, question if it's a genuine necessity. Understand the difference between wants and needs. Prioritize fulfilling needs first, then treat yourself to wants once specific financial objectives are achieved. 4. Resist social pressure. Don't feel compelled to follow the crowd or overspend on social activities just because it's the trend. Focus on spending your money on what truly matters to you, rather than mirroring others. Avoid the habit of comparing your life to others and concentrate on your financial goals. Making choices that suit your needs, rather than societal expectations, can pave the way for a more secure financial future. Invest in experiences or endeavors that contribute to personal growth and happiness, rather than merely accumulating possessions. Strike a balance between socializing and prudent spending, opting for enjoyable yet budget-friendly activities. This balance will benefit both your wallet and your future aspirations. 5. Invest in financial education. Many young adults lack knowledge about managing money or building wealth. They often neglect learning about these crucial aspects. It's vital to educate yourself about money through resources like books, blogs, online courses, or videos like this one. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make wise financial decisions. Don't solely rely on your 9-to-5 job for income. Explore opportunities like side jobs, starting a YouTube channel, or freelancing to generate money from different sources. This strategy ensures income streams from multiple avenues. In simple terms, early financial education and diversifying income sources are essential. They accelerate the path towards financial freedom. 6. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. User in your 20s, surrounding yourself with peers who share similar financial aspirations can greatly impact your journey toward financial freedom. The premise is that your social circle profoundly influences your mindset, habits, and ultimately, your financial success. When you engage with like-minded individuals, the likelihood of sharing parallel financial objectives and values increases. This alignment fosters better understanding and support among peers, facilitating joint pursuits such as saving, investing, or entrepreneurial endeavors. Being in the company of others striving for financial freedom serves as a potent motivator. Witnessing their progress can inspire discipline and focus on your own financial path. Broadening your social circle with like-minded individuals offers valuable networking prospects. This interaction might introduce mentors, potential business collaborators, or individuals with insights and connections pivotal to advancing your career or financial goals. 7. Practice minimalism. Minimalism embraces simplicity, reducing clutter, and focusing on essentials. It's not just about saving money but cultivating contentment and mental clarity, key for achieving financial freedom. Prioritizing long-term goals over immediate desires aids faster wealth accumulation and cultivates better financial habits like budgeting and mindful spending. Simplifying life through minimalism nurtures patience, steering away from impulsive trends and supporting the pursuit of financial freedom. Financial freedom is not a distant dream reserved for the lucky few, it's a goal that can be achieved by anyone with the determination and vision to pursue it. Regardless of your current circumstances, you have the power to take control of your financial destiny. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our future uploads. See you in the next video.